Because unlike Wipro, Capgemini, and Infosys delaying the onboarding of candidates, LTI has not done all this to candidates. So give LTI's interview very properly with 100% of your dedication so that you are selected. So in today's video, I'm also going to give you some tips to clear the technical interview. So watch this video till the end. Hello everyone, once again welcome back to Excel My Way, and today I'm back with one more important update on LTI. So LTI has recently conducted their assessment and now they have announced their result. Many candidates are getting mail. Hence I request you to check your mail. Also check your spam folder. So in today's video, I'm also going to give you some tips to clear the technical interview. So watch this video till the end. So LTI is sending out this email to the candidates. Greeting from LTI. Congratulations on clearing the online test. Your technical interview is scheduled for tomorrow, that is 4th of October 2022 at 11 am. So in the same mail, they have given you link for joining the meeting for tomorrow's interview. So I request you all, please join before the time, join before 5 minutes, be ready in formals. Because unlike Wipro, Capgemini, and Infosys delaying the onboarding of candidates, LTI has not done all this to candidates. So give LTI's interview very properly with 100% of your dedication so that you are selected. Because LTI is not delaying the candidates onboarding till now. So if situation goes well, they will also onboard you on time. So this is kind of a golden opportunity for you to get placed and also get onboarded. Okay, so go and check out your inbox and also check your spam folder. So now let's move on to interviews. What they will ask you in your technical interview. So before you panic or before you think that it will be tough or something, let me clear it out that LTI's interview will be easy. It will be whatever you have written in your resume. Okay. The technical skills, the projects, or the certification which you have mentioned in your resume, you have to be thorough with that, especially with the projects and especially with the final year projects. So if you can't explain your project, especially the final year project which you have completed just few months before, it will create a negative impact on your candidature even though your interview will be quite good. Okay, so you have to be thorough with all your projects which you have mentioned in your resume. At least you have to be theoretically thorough, like you should know what technologies you have used, what work you have done, what was your role in the project. That is one of the most important question, what was your role in the project. And after that they will also ask that whether it was a group project or solo project, what other group members did, what was the overall contribution along with other member also. So you have to be thorough with all these questions. So first thing, whatever technical skills you have written in your resume, like Python, C, C++, Java, you have to be thorough with the concepts of all those. Second thing, you have to be thorough with the OOPS concept. You should know what is OOPS and what are its four pillar, what they do and what are the advantages, what are the real life example of OOPS concept. After that, you should know DBMS concepts like what are triggers, what are indexing, what is database, what is difference between relational database and normal database. Then you should also know the all normalization forms, what are first NF, what are 2NF, 3NF, 4NF, BCNF, 5NF. Okay, then you should also study acid property. It is one of the most important question asked in every interview. After DBMS, be thorough with SQL or MySQL. So in SQL, basically they ask what are joins. Okay, you have to explain all the types of join. Then what is union and union all? What is the difference between both? So now these are the two very important things for any interview, especially LTI, that you should know thoroughly your project and your tech skill which you have mentioned in your resume. After that, they may ask you, depending on the interviewer, they may ask you HTML CSS question. In HTML, basically they ask that tags which do not have closing tag, syntax of anchor tag, image tag, how you define table in HTML, then how you import CSS in HTML, how do you implement CSS. So there are three types: internal CSS, external CSS, and inline CSS. What is the dominance order of all three? Inline CSS will be more dominant than internal CSS and then external CSS. Then what is ID and class in CSS, how they are different and all. So after this, depending on interviewer only, they don't ask this to everyone or every interviewer don't ask to every candidate. Depending on interviewer only, they may ask you to write few code, to share your screen and write a simple code. Okay, so you can choose any language, any compiler, online compiler, and they may ask you write prime number, Fibonacci, then leap year, then we have palindrome number, or they may give you an array and tell you to find the duplicates from the array or remove duplicates from the array and the operations based on string. So all this simple code they can ask you So you should know basics of your programming language and you can simply do that. So all the best everyone. Go rock in your interview tomorrow and do comment your queries below. You can also ask queries regarding technical interview. I will answer everything. So thank you everyone for watching out this video. Please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for further notification. Also do like, share and comment down your queries below.